So let's make it. You will need a TP4056 module for this project. Take the TP4056 module and connect its two positive and negative wires. Here you can see the true points of TP4056. You have to take a 3.7 volt lithium ion cell. Connect the positive and negative of TP4056 module to the lithium ion cell's terminals. The circuit will look like this. Connect two more wires to the cell. Now you have to take a syringe of 20 ml. The syringe will act as a body for our project. Fit the created circuit in that syringe. The charging body will look like this. The purple wire is for the switch. We will connect a switch here. You have to take this type of switch. Cut the wire into two and solder a switch there. After soldering the switch, paste it with a Fevikwik. You have to take a 3-volt motor. Take Fevikwik and apply it on the back of the motor. Stick the motor to the back of the syringe. I have cutted one side of the syringe. Now we have to solder the positive and negative wire to the motor. After soldering, it will look like this. Now you have to take a propeller for the motor. You can see the fan is now working. I have covered the fan with black tape and few sides with black permanent marker. The fan works very well. This is a very easy project you can make at home. For any queries you can ask me in the comment box. You can see now how powerful is this. It provides air very well. You can use it outdoor. charging time. You can charge the battery in the fan with a micro USB adapter. It is available in all homes. You can see when we turn on the switch, the light glows red, and when we turn off it switches off. Thanks for watching and make sure to hit the like button.